Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we're featuring the 2025 through 2026 Chevrolet BrightDrop 400 and 600. Designed specifically for last mile delivery and commercial EV fleets, the BrightDrop 400 and 600 prioritize efficiency, payload capacity, and frequent stop-and-go operation. With fully electric powertrains and regenerative braking systems, these vehicles demand braking components that deliver stable, predictable performance under constant load. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing smooth pedal feel, quiet operation, and consistent braking performance under EV-specific conditions. These components are designed to integrate seamlessly with regenerative braking while managing increased vehicle weight and high-duty service cycles. GeoSpec coatings help protect rotors from corrosion caused by moisture, road debris, and urban delivery environments, supporting longer service life and reduced downtime. OE-specific designs ensure proper fit and reliable installation across both BrightDrop 400 and 600 applications. Whether operating high-frequency delivery routes or managing a growing EV fleet, DFC brake components help maintain control, safety, and reliability mile after mile. For added efficiency, DFC braking components for the Chevrolet BrightDrop 400 and 600 are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, allowing distributors to streamline inventory and technicians to complete service quickly and accurately. DFC is proud to support the 2025 to 2026 Chevrolet BrightDrop 400 and 600 with a complete braking solution. Pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, reliability, and OE-level performance in commercial EV applications. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.